Yo!
What's up, Bolt Force?
Yo!
Guys, ooh, sorry.
So this is the end of first day.
And we are so shell shocked. It's insane.
Yeah, okay, so let me flip the camera around, give you a quick tour of our Nexus Mega Stand. Yes, yeah. So
Mega Stand.
Nexus Hub have bought their A game. We've got like video games over there, card games, board games. We've got Wonder Ports with their blind box items. Their
blind box
box.
today, so yeah, as well.
Yeah, Paul, what else you wanna?
Okay, we'll just check out all of these like blind boxes. So we got all of this stuff going on here.
And Labubus.
Labubus,
all gone for today.
They're all gone for today. But guys,
it's a daily quota.
I feel like I should tell you at least, if you guys want to come in and get a Labubu, I suggest you come and get it early.
First thing.
And you have to buy a blind box. Buying a blind box gets you a ticket to basically buying a Labubu, just so you know.
Yes.
Okay, and it's one per person.
Yes, yeah.
For the weekend. Okay.
Okay.
So that's just something there.
Yes.
Okay, so we got all that. Then as Jeff showed you guys all the cool gaming stuff. Apparently we got some slushies. We got a
Cable
bunch
guys.
of like these controller things, those things for your controllers.
Holding your nuts.
Cool, yeah.
Oh, you've got some warp babies. Yes.
Yeah, I got some warp babies.
Some
So
toy Warhammers.
if you don't want to paint or build your minis, you can buy them.
If you want to play with them,
Yeah, if you want to play with them. Otherwise, if you want to play with them in a different way, paint them up. We've got all the minis here. We got the books. We went warp like nuts this time. It was crazy. And Jeff, look at that. All the Gunpla stuff.
All the Gunpla section.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
so we bought in a whole wide range of mostly Bandai's kits.
yep.
Yes. You know, Armored Core 6. Yes.
Melander,
And
Melander.
let's feature also our crew for today. Yes.
Yes, guys,
So
let's do
we've
a
got-
shout out.
Yeah, Alicia and Faniwe, thank you guys so much. You guys were champs today. Yes.
Rock stars.
And before we come into, because we're gonna try our luck with the blind boxes. But yeah, so let's check out our display case as well.
So,
Yeah. Now let's quickly have a feature. Yeah, Paul's really excited to try his luck. Yeah, so you know the usual. This time we've like
just kept it chilled.
we've displayed less, but more quality. Like, okay, not saying previous is not quality. It's like more focused.
Focused,
Yes,
yeah. Because actually, guys, all the builds are quality. Yeah, it's just
Yes,
focused so people can appreciate it more.
Something that we've like actually unintentionally did this is like each level has this theme. So top level is like between Paul and I's builds. You know, whether it's painted or unpainted. Second row, we're gonna get another new spotter joining the second row. So second row is like the machine and crew.
Or noise. Apparently, it's pronounced noise spotter. I was corrected,
Is it?
and I'm
Okay.
happy now. I know.
Yeah, the Germans can tell us. And then third row is all hand painted kits. Yeah, and then bottom row is like green and mono eyes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Wow.
And a little bit of dirt.
Cool,
Okay, but let's go and open up
yes.
blind box.
So let's talk about these cool new items. And also we did a Comic-Con exclusive deal. The quota for today.
$2.99.
So EG knew like around noon they were all gone for today. But yeah, we do have port rationing throughout the weekend. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, so we will. And then we have these cool blind box
Yes.
figures. So we got these like Nunu Gundam
Gundam
Seed
Seed
figures
Destiny,
in like
the
a jammy
pajama-
jam and
yeah.
jam jams.
Yeah, pajama
Okay.
series.
And then
yeah.
we got the RX-78
Yes.
was like multicolored. So Jeff, if I'm not mistaken, you and I are opening an
Are we
RX-78.
opening it each?
Yes, I think we're opening each, and then we're opening one of these.
And then what we would do is we're gonna put them in our display case, so that if you do a pull, if you do grab one here and you open it and you don't get the one that you want, you can swap it with the one in the display
Unless
case.
I get the one I want, then you shut out of luck. Then you have to rely on
Okay,
Jeff.
cool. So tell me, which one would you like to get? Okay, so let's talk about. Yeah,
Let's talk about what you get.
Yeah, options.
Okay, so you get normal prototype, which is the black one, the
G1,
white
yeah.
one. Then the marking version, which is like the normal with all the
with, like, little
decals and
details,
things
yeah.
on.
That's a different armament. Hey, this one comes with a sword. This one comes
Comes
with
with
a
a beam rifle. And then this one also looks like no, it hasn't.
dual
Beam sabers, yeah. And then there's the real type color, which I dig.
Cool.
And then there's a special steampunk version and a rider suit
Rider
version.
suit.
And then there's
And
two
two
secret
secret
ones.
So you want the classic.
I actually want real type colors.
Okay.
Because that'll be nice for me. Poster color version.
So for me, I'm gonna go like this. So I any of the four, like OGs, I'm happy with. So
Cool.
you're gonna open one and you're gonna film me open one. Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Nice clean.
Oh. Okay, let's see what I get. Let's see what I get.
Okay, and don't look at the rest of the
I was lucky.
contents because it'd be spoilers. Yeah.
I was gonna throw it, but then I decided not to. And then there's a. There we
These
go.
are the QMSB.
I'm not even looking, guys. I'm scared. You guys are gonna see it before I do.
Oh!
Marking
you got
version.
the marking one.
Oh,
that's what I
lucky.
would have liked to get as well.
Oh,
yeah.
cool. Well, let's see what you get. Maybe we can swap.
Sweet. So, okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Dude, but this is so cool.
cool,
Yeah.
now you get the cam.
This makes me feel like the classic master grade. You know?
Cool.
Cool.
Right. So which one did you grab? This one, huh?
I grabbed that one there. Yeah.
from over there. Okay, let me just go the one in front.
Yes. Don't
Okay.
overthink it, my dude.
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
feel it. Okay, so
Feel it.
ready.
Yeah. I just want to make sure I got you in frame. Yeah, we go. Cool.
3, 2, 1. Hey!
Hey.
Clean. This is actually my first
Blind box ever.
item, so yeah.
Cool. Let's see what you get. I don't want to say anything if I see it. And then hold the box away and pull out the bag. I also don't want to see what's in the box. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's see what it gets. Let's see what it gets.
Ready?
Hey.
Yeah, I'll pick that up. Don't worry.
Don't worry,
I'm
we're not little bugs.
Oh!
Ooh.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I think that's one of the secret colors.
That's the rising.
Is that the rising, the rider one?
Yeah. That's cool. Sweet.
Very cool.
Yeah. So I would likely put it into the display case. So if anybody else does a pool and they want to trade, yeah, this one's in a display case.
Awesome,
Okay.
man.
Sweet.
Very cool.
So now, are we gonna do the Gundam
The
CS
jam
one?
ones,
Okay.
yeah. Shame, Jeff, because you've never opened one of these before. I'm gonna let you pick one
Sweet,
because
okay.
you know I've opened blind boxes before.
Okay, so there you go.
It's just one in the front. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Ready.
I am. Yes.
Hey.
Hey.
Okay. So the packaging design is always like really nice, huh?
Yeah, always nice.
So what is this thing that
It's a stand.
just the base,
Oh
okay.
my word, dude! Keep going.
It's
Oh,
okay.
oh,
So we've
oh,
got
oh.
is that shin?
Yeah,
It must
but
be
no.
shin.
But I think more important than that. I think you may have pulled the chase.
Is it?
Yeah.
Because the choice is between Kira and. But we didn't even show what selection you get.
Oh wow. Oh cool.
Shin, yeah.
Shin.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Everybody loves Shin.
Let me free him from. There you go. Oh, cool shades.
Yeah, these are really amazing, hey? Wow.
Wow,
Oh,
the
and they
quality's-
feel nice.
The quality is really nice.
Yeah, dude. So,
Yeah.
cough.
So
Let me just check here quickly.
obviously, me personally, I don't have a desire for them. So we will put it in a display case, and
Yeah, we just wanted to double check. Yeah, I've
Yeah.
got a funny, but we'll show you guys later
Yes, yeah.
in the cutaways.
cool. So do
Sweet.
you want to grab yours?
Yes.
Okay. So let me take the camera from you.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna do a pull.
Oh no, shame. I can pull one, but
Oh, okay.
no,
yeah.
no, we're just gonna pull the one.
Cool. All right, sweet. Awesome.
Cool.
Thank you. So yeah, how should we sign off? Yeah, you wanna smash him into the
I'll
camera?
smash him into the camera, so we'll just do this. So yeah, guys, we hope to see you at Comic Con. Jeff and I are very amped, as you can tell, and we got all these fun new things. And yeah, so hopefully we see you this long weekend.
Yeah.
Cool. Otherwise, remember to be good to yourselves, be good to each other.
And
Remember to
building
building joy. Everybody loves you. Let's go.